attorney Emily Anderson with RSH Legal. Are you worse off either physically or financially after you have resolved your workers' compensation claim? You may be wondering if you can reopen your claim and ask for additional permanent disability benefits. It depends on three things. First, has your condition worsened because of your work injury? This is a question that has to be answered by a doctor. If your physical condition has worsened, but it is a result of a new injury or something other than the original work injury, then you cannot reopen your case based on your physical condition getting worse. If your physical condition has not worsened, has your financial situation worsened because of your work injury? In other words, were you terminated, or did your pay decrease because the employer can no longer accommodate the restrictions from your work injury? If you've had a change in your condition related to your work injury, and the judge finds that change has increased your permanent impairment, then you are entitled to additional permanent disability benefits. Second, was your workers' compensation claim resolved in such a way that left your right to future permanent disability benefits open? If a judge ruled on your claim and found that you have a permanent disability, you may reopen your claim. If you entered into a type of workers' compensation settlement that protected your right to reopen your claim, then you may also reopen your workers' compensation claim. These types of settlements are often called open file settlements, or more technically, an agreement for settlement. If you entered into a closed file settlement, more technically known as a compromise settlement, then you probably cannot reopen your claim. If you aren't sure how your claim was settled, talk to an experienced Iowa workers' compensation attorney. They can review your settlement paperwork for you. Third, have you received weekly benefits within the last 3 years? A review reopening claim must be filed with the Iowa Workers' Compensation Commissioner within 3 years of the last weekly benefit check. Being paid mileage or medical benefits does not extend this deadline. If you are past the 3-year deadline, you probably cannot reopen your claim. If you have questions about whether you can reopen your workers' compensation claim, you should talk to an attorney. Call us today at 1-800-433-0283 and receive a free, no-strings-attached phone consultation with one of our experienced Iowa workers' compensation lawyers.